Good afternoon, you lovely bunch. Thought it was time that we took a closer look at May. She is absolutely flying. 52% sold, about 650 odd tickets, maximum 1,275 tickets, which is obviously because she's 12.75. Opening offer ends midnight on Sunday, which is tomorrow. And she's currently on sale at £9.99. Yep, somebody could win this Mini for £9.99. Started life as a 1994 Mini Sprite and has obviously had the Monte Carlo Rally styling or treatment, however you would like to describe it. Obviously tartan red with a white roof. It's got the 3.5-inch white painted steel 10-inch rims. Obviously has the corresponding disc conversion. All brand new chrome, recently fitted, which you can see. Really nice touch on this car, because it still has its original glass. You can just see it doesn't want to focus. A sneak peek of the interior. Love period correct plates, and obviously May because of said registration. It's got a brand new built centre exhaust, which you can see here. And obviously you can see how clean the car is underneath. Been completely wax oiled. Sounds absolutely epic. I do have a very special rear fog light for it. It has the Group 2 arches on. It's a little bit dusty because it's been in my barn. Brand new Faulkner SN 807 tyres, which are a very, very nice tyre. See all the nice new fresh chrome mirrors to match. And obviously one of the best steering wheels that you can basically get. The Mode 2. Straighten the steering up. So the Momo Proto Tipio Cooper clocks, rev counter, speedo, temperature and fuel. Really nice black dash. Obviously all alloy door furniture, brand new door cards with matching Cobra Monte Carlo bucket seats and the white piping, matching rears, and an unusual parcel shelf cover, which I quite like. Obviously the white roof. One thing to mention as well is the front spotlights. So you can see that somebody has obviously gone to a lot of effort to start converting this to the Abingdon Works or the John Cooper Works Cooper S's rally cars from 64 onwards. And if it was me, I would personally go a step further and do the dashboard, roof rack, etc. Nice little touches, the original early steering wheel. Shall we start her up? So she is stone cold. Literally just pulled out of the barn, which is there. Just give you a little stunning. These carpets, by the way, obviously all brand new, they are actually stuck down and sound deadened, but it has had new seals and I think a drive side or a passenger side floor replacement at some point in its history. And then obviously not quite sure where that dropped off. It's had loads of recent engine work. Head's been skimmed, ported, polished. Obviously a Fletcher radiator. New, I can't remember if it's 38 or 44 here, I think it's 38. But obviously check the description, it will be in there. So painted block to match the car. Relays, etc. for the spotlights. You can just listen to it ticking over. This is stone cold. What else to say about this car? Just another exceptional Mini. Obviously this is absolutely flying out. It does snap, crackle and pop. I don't want to rev it too much because it's a nice little touch. That's the fuel we have. Yeah, what else to say, people? Absolutely stunning. I would add the decals on the door, obviously rear quarters, the signatures and X, Y and Z. I'd also stick a roof rack on it. It's a misconception that the works cars had black roofs. They didn't, they had white roofs. White wheels obviously, and were stickered appropriately for the driver or the team numbers. And the sun's decided to come out on May. Just look at her. Somebody's going to be winning this. This is our 35th Classic Mini, and to be honest, couldn't ask for anything better. Absolutely stunning. Perfect base project for a Monte Carlo replica. Or obviously you could make it your own. Cafe racer look would be pretty cool. I would also stick the 4.5 inch Cooper S wheels on it, which I've got a few sets of, so if the winner really wanted it I could get them done for you and put on as a nice little thing, because it would just make that arch slightly fuller. But yeah, other than that, as always, we always like to leave a few bits so people can personalise them to what they want. The other thing to mention is the absolutely brand spanking new interior. So hit the link on the screen or obviously in the pinned comments on YouTube. Go get involved. £9.99, www.ukminis.co.uk, and if it sells out before tomorrow or the open offer ends, I will draw it early. Good luck everyone, see you all soon.